Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Amazon Nation, where we teach you to become a highly profitable Amazon VA. Hello, it's me here again, Niña, your Amazon Nation brand ambassador. And for this video, pag-uusapan natin about saan kaya pwede mag-job hunting as a freelancer or a virtual assistant. Naghahanap ka ba ng trabaho? Because today, you're in luck because yun ang topic na pag-uusapan natin. Virtual assistants are so highly in demand these days, lalo na madami ang mga businesses online. Kailangan ng mga business owners ng administrative tasks at support, and dyan papasok ang mga freelancers and virtual assistants. To help virtual assistant to find client, marami actually mga service providers na nag-help connect sa mga virtual assistants and mga CEOs or mga business owners. In this video, we're going to talk about the best websites where you can find your clients, and pag-uusapan din natin ang mga pros and cons sa isa-isay na mga ito. And we're also going to discuss mga unique features para from your end makadecide ka kung saan website ang best suitable for you. Kaya pause muna ang job hunting and let's see kung ano pa mga job websites ang pwede for you. Number 1 is Upwork. In Upwork, marami siyang actually mga job opportunities. Halos everyday meron nagpo-post ng job openings. It is one of the biggest platform para makahanap ka ng mga clients if you want to become a virtual assistant. And may robust sila ng search engine para mas specific ang mga hinahanap mo klaseng jobs for you. In Upwork, there is a secure payment system para maiwasan ng mga scams for mga freelancers and clients. The good thing about this is you have the ability to showcase all of your talents, your skills, your experiences sa mismo profile mo sa Upwork. You also have the option to submit proposals para sa iyong mga clients, and you can also negotiate your rate, which is really good. Pag-usapan naman natin ang mga cons sa Upwork. Nako, madami ng job post pero madami ding mga freelancers na naghahanap doon sa website. So, kaya in short, mahihirapan ng mga newbies. As mentioned, meron ng secured system payment terms ang Upwork. Kaso nga naman, nagkakatas sila ng 10% every time na nagpe-pay ang client sa mga freelancers. And ang last na cons dyan is clients may have a limited budget affecting the rates that they offer. Number 2, freelancer.com. In freelancer.com, there is a wide range of job posts for freelancers, and the good thing about is that you can negotiate also your rates to the client. Mismong negotiating in terms directly kay client. It provides a secure payment system non-hassle-free. What I like about this is that they offer mga test skills para to determine kung gaano ka kagaling sa isang skill. And with that, makikita ng mga clients kung gaano kagaling in a specific niche or skill. You also have the option to bid on your preferences and align it with your skill set. Ano naman ng mga cons sa freelancer.com? Since it's a global website, napaka-intense ang mga competition sa mga kapwa mong freelancer na naghahanap ng job post sa freelancer.com. Nag-charge din ng fees ang freelancer.com pag natapos na yung project or at the end of the month when nagpe-pay na ang client kay freelancer. And the client quality and payment may still be varied. Number 3, Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is very simple and user-friendly, lalo na sa mga newbies na gustong mag-try ng freelancing. Pwede ka mag-set ng own packages, services mo, like ikaw mag-customize ang sarili mong profile, and papakita mo doon ang mga different skills na kaya mong i-cater sa magiging client mo. They have a wide variety of clients such as like CEOs, business owners, online business owners, and etc. Ang maganda sa Fiverr, they continuously promote their platform. Thus, it connects to a lot of business owners para makahanap pa sila ng more freelancers, and for the freelancers, more clients ang makukuha pa nila. You also have the option to upsell your skills and packages that you can increase your earnings. Pag-usapan naman natin ang cons sa Fiverr.com. It has lower price services dominating the platform. What do I mean about that? Madami ng mga job sites or mga job openings pero medyo mababa ang kanilang mga rates, potentially impacting the earning potential. Fiverr charges services fees and payment processes fees kapag na-completed na ni virtual assistant or ni freelancer ang task. And lastly, limited ang communication ni client and ni freelancer. Kumaga, lahat ng mga concerns mo, kailangan padadaan kay Fiverr bago kay client. Number 4, Guru.com. It has a diverse range of job opportunities every day in that website. May it be a virtual assistant, freelancer, lahat ng mga job opportunities online ay nandoon. And it also allows you to customize, optimize your profile para pag nakita ni client, for sure, ikaw na ang the one VA na. Meron din siya mga flexible payment terms. Magpipili ka lang doon kung gusto mo na hourly, weekly, bi-monthly, or monthly. Nasa kay freelancer yun. Guru offers workrooms. It is a special feature only in Guru where you can collaborate with different freelancers and a good communication with clients. If you are looking for long-term clients, Guru is the option website for you because marami dong clients naghahanap din na pang long-term na freelancer virtual assistant for them. How about naman ang mga cons about Guru.com? Ito, meron siyang membership fee. Kailangan ng membership fee para may access ka sa mga different features and special offers nila. Isa pa dito, Guru charges service fee. Kapag magpipay na si client, may kaltas doon si Guru. And to be transparent, the platform only have a very little amount of virtual assistant work compared sa mga other job websites for freelancers or virtual assistants. Number 5, peopleperhour.com. What I like about this website is that you have the option to set your rates if gusto mo hourly, weekly, monthly, pati din yung amount na gusto mong i-charge kay client when you are providing your services. People per hour offers a secure payment term so para maiwasan ka na ma-scam ikaw at pati na din si client. Kumbaga, safe ang money mo here. You also have the ability to showcase all your talents, your skills, yung mga trainings na napagdaanan mo. You can also put that in your profile para makikita ni client on his end. Meron doon mga hourlies or mga short-term projects na kung pag natapos mo ang isang task, mababayaran ka kaagad ni client. It could be on a day or the next day. Ang cons dito, ang global competition for the freelancer is so intense because it has an access to a different countries. People per hour also charges a service fee kapag na-complete mo na ang task. Kumaga, mababawasan ng kita mo on your end. Lastly, ang cons dito ay clients may have varying budgets, impacting the rates that they offer. Number 6, lastly, my favorite, onlinejobs.ph. Pinaka-pros dito with the website that is named in itself, Filipinos lang ang hinahire nilang mga freelancers. Kaya nga onlinejobs.ph, diba? Kaya if you are a Filipino, malaki ang chance mo magkaroon ka ng client if dito ka mag-a-apply. As a virtual assistant in online jobs, meron kang maraming opportunities to work with clients from different countries and malalaman mo din how they are working on a daily basis. Ito pa ang gusto ko, direct ka sa mismo client na pinagtatrabahuan mo. It's just you and your client communicating together, creating and building a business and online. Kapag ganito kasi ang setup, you, the virtual assistant, and the client communicating directly, mas nagkakaroon ng clear communication, mas fast ang transaction, and mas nagsasabi mo ang iyong mga concerns or kung may mga suggestions ka man to better the client's business, mas nasasabi mo siya kaagad. Ang maganda pa sa onlinejobs.ph is meron silang security measures na ma-verify niya ang client at na-verify ka mismo ikaw na freelancer. In my experience, nung gumagawa ako ng account sa onlinejobs.ph, talaga sinisecure and chine-check nila ang kanilang mga virtual assistants. Like, they even ask me for my ID, government ID, address, some of those things. Tapos, meron din mga test doon like for your English, competency, mga logic. Tapos, nakikita yun sa profile mo as a virtual assistant. Kung saan ka magaling, kung gaano ka kagaling mag-English, kung gaano ka mag-abstract reasoning, stuff like that. And you can also showcase there your certificates, your skills. Kapag na-verify ikaw as the virtual assistant in online jobs, mas nagiging credible ka para kay client. Plus, meron pa silang bagong features. In a day, you get to have 60 points. Kapag ginagamit mo itong mga points na dito, when you are sending your cover letters, kung gaano kadaming points na linalagay mo, mas tumataas. Kung baga linalagay yung online jobs, yung cover letter mo sa taas, para yun ang mas unang nakikita ni client. Cons naman, it offers limited protection when it comes to payment terms. Gaya nga na na-discuss natin no pros na it's you communicating with the client and yourself. So wala na doon si online shop. Kaya when it comes to payment terms, kayong dalawa na lang ang magdi-discuss. So paano ba ang magiging discussion nyo? Saan bang mga bank terms niya isisend ang kanyang payment? Kayong dalawa lang ang magdi-discuss. Also when it comes to negotiating, ikaw na si virtual assistant rin ang makaka-negotiate ng iyong rate. Lack of escrow system. What do I mean about this escrow system? Na kay client kung kailan ka na niya babayaran. And hindi mamamonitor yun ni online jobs kung paano ka ipipay ni client. Let's say, napag-usapan nyo bi-weekly, pero hindi na bayaran ikaw ni client. So, wala na din si online jobs. Kayo na lang ni client ang mag-aayos noon or magkakaroon ng alignment and agreement. Conclusion, paano kung ikaw naman ay isang magaling na virtual assistant pero sa maling website ka naghahanap? Increase your chances by winning a premium client or a client by going to the websites that I've mentioned from above. And you will see na kada refresh mo sa website or pages na yon, meron at merong bagong websites na makikita ka na posting doon. There's really so many fishes in this. Each of the 6 websites that I've mentioned above has its own advantages and limitations. By considering the cons and the pros of each of these platforms, you can select the one that best suits you. That's it for our today's video. I hope madami kayong natutunan sa mga websites na na-mention ko. And with that, thank you for watching for our today's video. Happy job hunting!
Hi guys! Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. And if you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification button here on our YouTube. And also follow our pages on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. It's Amazon Nation PH. And connect with us on LinkedIn. See you!